In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you need to head over to Zoho, which is part of a comprehensive cloud software suite designed specifically for businesses. This platform streamlines many of your day-to-day tasks, and adding bank details is one of the essential features for managing invoices. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button. This button is your gateway to accessing all the functionality Zoho has to offer. After signing in, direct your attention to Zoho Home, where you can navigate to different applications within the suite. From Zoho Home, proceed to Zoho Books. This is the section where your financial dealings come to life, including invoicing. Now, once you're in Zoho Books, locate the Settings option. This area allows you to customize and control the financial aspects of your business. Click on Customization. This section is crucial as it shows you all the customization options for your invoices and other financial documents. Within customization, look for PDF templates. This is where you can configure how your invoices will look, including adding the essential bank details your clients need. It's important to keep your templates professional and comprehensive, saving time for both you and your clients by ensuring all necessary information is included up front. Next, navigate to Invoices under the PDF templates option. You'll need to get specific with the invoice templates because these are the documents that will be frequently sent to your clients. Once you're in the Invoices section, find and click on the Edit button. Here's where things get specific. You'll see various options to edit the invoice template to suit your business needs. Among these options is the ability to add your bank details. This is the critical part that ensures your clients know where to send payments. Adding bank details to your invoices not only streamlines the payment process, but it also enhances your professional image by providing clear and concise payment instructions. It's a small step that makes a significant difference in your business operations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added bank details to Zoho Invoice, setting up a smooth process for handling financial transactions. This task, though seemingly minor, plays a big role in enhancing your company's efficiency. Keep these instructions handy and feel free to revisit this process whenever necessary. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.